28 divided by 7 over 2 times 4. 2 into here 1, 2 into 4, 2. Then we have 28 divided by 7 times 2. 28 divided by 7 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is equals to 8. 8 is the wrong answer to this question because according to the order of operations, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we are to work from our left to our right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with 28 divided by 7 over 2 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 28, change division to multiplication, then flip 7 over 2 to 2 over 7 times 4. Now we are going to simplify. 7 into here 1, 7 into 28 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 2 times 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is equals to 32. 32 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.